In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile on Evernote. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can update your account details confidently. Before you start, make sure you're already signed into your Evernote account in a web browser, since these options are easiest to access from the web version. Once you're logged in, look towards the lower left corner of the Evernote interface. You should see your profile area there, usually showing your name or initials. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This opens a small menu connected to your account where you can access different settings related to your profile and subscription. In that menu, look for the option labeled Account Info or something very similar. Click on that. This will take you out of the main Notes interface and into your account settings in a new tab or window, depending on your browser. Don't worry if the layout looks a little different from the Notes screen. This is normal because you're now in the account management area. Once you're in your account settings, find and click on the section called Profile. This is where Evernote keeps your basic account information, such as your name and email address. Take a moment to review what's already there, so you know what you want to change. If you need to update the email address associated with your account, look for the option to change your email. There's usually a field where you can type in your new email address. Carefully enter the new email, making sure there are no typos, because this may be used for important notifications, password resets, and security alerts. Some accounts may require you to confirm the change by entering your password again, and Evernote might send a verification message to your new email address. Be prepared to open that email and click the confirmation link if prompted. After you've made your changes, don't forget to save them. Look for the button labeled Save Changes and click on it.